Hello friends, welcome back. It's Angela the Traveling Crafter, and guess what time it is? It is Tag Your Turn time. Every month I do a tag, and I tag a friend who then is able to post a video with the tag of their choice. But this time it's with a twist, because what I am going to do today is a tri-fold pocket with, actually it's more like a quad fold pocket with, no, let's start over. Tag with 4 pockets. So it will look like this, or you can fold it in this way. And there's 4 panels, 4 different pockets. So I thought, why not do Tag Your Turn and hashtag Pick a Pocket and tag someone and challenge them to make a tag and pocket combo as well, because I'm always looking for new ideas. So I thought that would be kind of fun. And this month I am tagging Liana at It's a Deal. And if you don't know her, check her out. She's got some great videos, and I think you'll really enjoy her, and some nice crafty things for you to check out as well. Now, we did another video where I did a floating pocket, kind of similar to what I'm going to show you now. See, this one's only three trifold, you know? This one was a little bit different. So I'm going to show you how to make this one first, and then I'll show you, it will be easy to figure out how to make this one. All right, so all you're going to do is take your piece of paper, and you are going to fold it in half. Wait a minute. Do I want it this way? It doesn't really matter, so I think we're okay. So you're just going to fold your piece of paper in half. And then you're going to, here, I can move this out of the way. And then you're going to fold these into the middle. Just like that. That gives us our 4, right? This is another 5-minute, I can't see the crease. Another 5-minute craft, and we're killing a couple birds with one stone. So not that I want to kill any birds, but you know what I mean. And thank you, Carrie, the Paper Monkey, for hosting hashtag Tag Your Turn. Thank you, Hazel at Hazel Anaka Designs, for hosting. Now you're just going to fold all of these up to wherever you want them. And thank you for to Liana at It's a Deal for considering playing along with us. All right, now all you're going to do is you're just going to cut those 4 bottom pieces up to this bottom part here, just in case you couldn't see that, because I know it's kind of hard to see. So it's just very similar to what we did before on yesterday's video, except we're going to do this one and this one folded that way. So because these are going to come up together, do you see how this is a good example of where I use that little V. They're going to probably, when they're glued down, won't be quite right. So I'm just going to shore these up just a little bit, taking a little tiny angled V out of it. And that way they'll close better. And we got nothing to worry about. Hope you guys are having a great day. We don't really need to worry about it on these because they're not touching each other, so. And you're doing something crafty or fun, whatever that might be. Let me know in the comments what you've been up to, or if you're doing anything fun for the summer. When you watch this, I will be on the road, returning to home after vacation in the Smoky Mountains. So I'm pretty excited about that. So if all goes well, I will have done some vlogging. And I did pose the question a few days ago, I think, about potentially starting another channel specifically for our for our vlog content. So I'm trying to make a decision on that. I know it will be a little more work, but not, I don't think that much really. I mean, I'm already doing videos every day, so potentially, you know, I'll just post videos when we've been traveling for the time being. So, and I'll probably post those on Thursdays, because Thursday is the day. I knew that was going to happen. I saw that this was not, it was a little crooked. This one was okay, and this one was not. Thursdays is the day that we do our live sales on this channel. So that's kind of my thought process, but I'm looking for input and your honest thoughts and expertise. All right, so now we've got our, and you could just leave it like this and, you know, have it, see, that is really going to bug me. Hang on, let me cut that off. There we go. You could just leave it like that and just have it as a as a quad fold. But I told you we were doing tag your turn, so we're making this bad boy into a tag. And then all you're going to do is cut all of these. Bada bing. I think that just went on the floor instead of in my garbage can. And there we go. And your tag is complete. All right, let's do one more, and we will, I'll just tell you how I did this one. Basically, you're just going to fold this in to wherever you want your, however wide you want your tag to be. And then you're going to fold this one over, but leave just a little bit of space so it doesn't catch on it. That's all you're going to do. And then you fold all of them up and cut it just the same way. I don't think you need me to show you that. Instead, we'll do one more of these because I really like this quad fold. All right, let's see. I don't think it's going to matter which way I do this because it's upside down if I do it that way. We're losing our butterflies. I'm just going to do it this way. Do I really care that the butterfly is upside down? Yeah, I kind of do. All right. Now, this was not... I used double-sided paper. Oh, why did I do that first? Doesn't matter, I guess. But this was two of my digitals, and so I had printed them single-sided. And so I just back two of them together. So just, you can do that too. And you don't, like I said, you don't have to use double-sided paper if you don't want to. No rules. And remember, the rules are, there are no rules. See, I'm still getting an upside down. No matter what, I'm going to have an upside down butterfly. All right, so instead of, I just need to see what happened before. Where'd that go? We're just going to go ahead and make sure these are all angled just a smidgy. Might as well just do it once, right? And then I need to get ready. It is... because of travels, this is the last sale of the month. For Carol and I, we will be back on in July, and the second week in July. And I have to talk to Carol, but either the second week, probably the second week of July, maybe. Which would be nice because I have everything kind of ready for it. I'm not going to put thumb notches in this one. I think we might do Christmas and July sale. I have got a ton of stuff and lots and lots and lots of vintage Christmas greeting cards in the box. Cool boxes too. So I'm excited to kind of clear some of those out. And get ready, because in August is our big trip where we go to the 170-mile yard sales. I kind of like it like that. So, do I? I'm going to do it this way. And I really like making these tags. What I generally do when I decorate them is I do punch a hole, but in only one layer of it. And that's why if you double up your... Okay, I see I missed... There we go. If you double up your paper, it makes it nice and thick, so it will work just fine. So you decide which way you want where you want your front, and then you can just pop a hole. Now you could do a hole through all of them and then untie it and take it apart, and that's kind of holding it together. You certainly can do that. But this way, I can just put that there, and it's good to go. What is wrong with it? Oh, it's not quite together. But it's that easy, friends. So I encourage you to try this. I just like to experiment once in a while. If this is nothing new, that's going to drive me crazy. There's nothing I can do about it except maybe this. Because these are all even. So we'll just go with it. And be sure to check out these wonderful ladies, good friends, channels, Carrie the Paper Monkey, who hosts Tag Your Turn, and Hazel at Hazel and Aka Design, who hosts Pick a Pocket. And then go over and see what Liana is making at It's a Deal. And Liana, I hope that you'll take on this challenge. Thank you for watching, everyone. And until next time, remember to take time to just be. Cheers.